What if I told you that a simple 1-cent coin in your pocket changed? Today we're diving into the world of the 1980 Lincoln penny, one of the most collected coins in American history. But here's the twist. While most 1980 pennies are only worth a cent, some rare era varieties are worth jaw-dropping amounts of money. The Lincoln cent has been a cornerstone of U.S. coinage since 1909, when it was first introduced to honor the 100th anniversary of President Abraham Lincoln's birth. By 1980, the penny had already gone through several changes in design and composition. Material. In 1980, the penny was still being made of 95% copper and 5% zinc. It wasn't until 1982 that the U.S. Mint switched to the cheaper copper-plated zinc composition. Why the 1980 Lincoln penny is collectible. While most 1980 pennies may seem ordinary, coin collectors look for three main things. Historical composition, being one of the last full copper issues, makes it desirable. Condition and mint state grades. High-grade coins, especially MS-67 or higher, are extremely valuable. Error varieties. These are the real jackpot. A small mistake at the mint can multiply a coin's value by thousands. So, while your average 1980 penny may only fetch a few cents over face value, a rare error coin can bring life-changing sums of money. The most rare 1980 error varieties. Now let's get into the exciting part, the errors that turn ordinary 1980 pennies into gold mines. Double die obverse DDO, minor DDO, $200, $500, major, bold DDO, $2,000, $5,000, double die reverse DDR. Value ranges from $500 to $3,000 plus depending on strength and condition. Off-center strikes, small off-center 5 to 10%, $50 to $100, large off-center 30 to 50%, $1,000, $3,000. If the coin is 50% off-center and still shows the date, it could reach $10,000 plus. Broad strike errors. Values range from $200 to $1,500 depending on condition. Wrong planchette errors. Wrong planchette errors can fetch $5,000, $15,000 or more. Off-metal errors. Transitional errors. Extremely rare, but if a 1980 penny was accidentally struck on a transitional planchette similar to the 1980 to switch years, values can go into tens of thousands of dollars. Struck through errors. If grease, cloth, or another object got between the die and planchette, it leaves a unique, one-of-a-kind impression. Depending on severity, these sell from $100 to $2,500. Full brokerage errors. A 1980 penny with a full brokerage error can sell for $10,000 to $20,000 plus. Record sales of 1980 pennies. Some 1980 pennies have already made headlines at auctions. A high-grade MS-67 red 1980 Lincoln penny sold for nearly $7,000. Rare double die obverse examples have reached $5,000 in auction. Unique wrong planchette strikes have crossed the $15,000 mark. Experts believe the right 1980 penny error in pristine condition could one day push into the hundreds of thousands, even million-dollar territory.